We had an excellent deal on the gold last week. We sold the gold from 2655, and as you can see, this signal has indeed been activated and running so far in around 157 pips of profit. Total was around 200 pips of profit. So congratulations for those who have taken this signal. Indeed, it went in around 100 pips of loss, but it was still inside of the safe zone. And I'm sure not everyone entered exactly at the given entry point. So many of the followers have actually entered here or there or at the peak of the resistance or here, so higher than my entry. However, I'm so happy to say also that we actually have made a poll on our Telegram channel asking the followers if they have taken this signal. Thankfully, around 250 people voted for yes, we took this signal and running in profits. So I'm very happy for them. That's enough for me, and I hope it will continue the good work here with Xtreme Trader. By the way, my friends, this is of course my Telegram channel, Xtreme Trader Signals. This is the only legit and genuine channel of Xtreme Trader on Telegram. You can of course join this channel through this link, or you can actually find the link in the description below of this video. Also here you will receive updates from me personally about any signal that you are receiving here on YouTube, such as this very same one right here when I said that it's finally paying off and we are running in 115 pips of profit. To be honest, also not hiding anything, here also I was worried when I saw this bullish movement, and I mentioned that we can actually recommending to close it right now in 50 pips of loss. And in the end, it was only my recommendation. It was not like giving demands or anything at all. So in the end, some followers actually kept it running, and thankfully it paid off indeed. But of course, I was really worried about my followers' funds, and that's all. So in the end, Forex signals are just a Forex signals. I'm not here managing anyone's funds. So actually, just to answer the question that many people asking me, if I can keep the trade running, can I keep it running? Can I open here buy? Can I open here sell? It's not my job, my friends. I cannot tell you to keep the trade or not. I cannot answer that because I'm going to be responsible for any losses. So therefore, I'm just a signal provider. I just send you the signal and that's it. It's up to you how to handle the signal. If you wish to keep it running, it's completely up to you. Please don't ask me if you can keep it running or not. Anyway, let's now begin with the gold for the upcoming week, and let's now see what we can do next with this pair. So first of all, I would like to delete the old signal. Now let's see what we can do next with the gold, and let's now move to the weekly chart. So here in Xtreme Trader, our style is always to analyze the weekly chart and then daily chart to confirm the direction, if it's gonna be bullish or bearish. After that, we will switch to the 4-hour time frame or even 1-hour time frame to identify of course our entry and to find the best entry possible. So judging now from the weekly chart, what I can see right now is a very strong bullish momentum. First of all, here we have a real level of a support, as you can see, that has been created actually back in October, the month of October. And then again back in November, again we had here a fake breakout has been created exactly from this level of a real support. Then what happened later? Late November and in December, the market always kept respecting the same level of a real support, ignoring the fake breakout, but it was actually focusing on respecting the real level of a support all the way. And that's really clear for us that the gold is indeed unable to go below this level of a support. Now, most likely with the current price action that we have right here, we are actually expecting a bullish movement on the gold. Not to mention, of course, that we had right here a let me just show it to you. We had right here, of course, an upper trend and a supported trend line based again on the weekly chart. So as long as the gold is moving based on this level of a support trend line, we will continue buying the gold. Once the gold makes a bearish breakout from this level, we will consider the sell. But till then, we will just focus only on buying the gold for the meantime. So weekly chart shows me that the gold is gonna most likely continue to be bullish, respecting this level of a real support and also respecting the level of a support trend line. That's for a starter. Now let's move to the daily chart. Now here daily chart shows me actually a really perfect setup to start buying the market. How? First of all, let me just now again squeeze the chart like that. It gives actually a clear level to read the market. Now what I can see right here is simply, first of all, a respected level of a support trend line. Let me just make it from the beginning here, so it's going to be clear. Check this out. So here this support trend line has indeed been respected all the way, all the time. and the gold never went below this level, even with a fake breakout. We never witnessed a single fake breakout. The market kept respecting this level, indicates, of course, a strength in the bullish movement. Not only that, but again, right here, we see the same level of a real support has been indeed respected multiple times. Now, what I can see right here also, let me just delete all of that, is a broken triangle as well. Check this out right here exactly. We have a broken triangle, and the market most likely, in my opinion, will continue the fall to retest that broken structure of a triangle, and afterward will continue the rise. But how can we confirm this? Simply best to follow, start to fall. Again, let me draw here the support trend line. And again, let me draw here the previous level of a support trend line that we have drawn earlier, because we need it to confirm our new entry. Now, let's imagine this scenario together. The gold, most likely, the new candle is going to open to be bearish one. And the gold will continue the fall till it reach, first of all, this broken level of a resistance trend line to create, of course, a new support trend line. Number two, here we had a real level of a support number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we had here a fake breakout happened from this level. We did not have any resistance right here. Immediately a fake breakout that indeed has been broken out from. Now, if the gold will fall right here, most likely it will actually respect this level of a support. It will be under a lot of pressure at this area. This area, my friends, actually has a lot of potential for a bullish reversal due to a lot of pressure from the support and the supported trend line. Not only that, but even the price action that we have right here indicates actually a continuation in the bullish movement. Therefore, I would actually recommend to buy the gold exactly from here. Now, let's move to the 4-hour time frame just to confirm if this is going to be indeed our valid entry. Now, based on the 4-hour time frame, I would like actually to increase my expectations to be right here exactly at 2623. Here, of course, we had the nearest level of a resistance to this bullish breakout candle, and right here also we have the nearest level of a support to this bullish breakout candle as well. So 2623 is actually a strong level of a support that most likely won't be simply ignored. But also, to be fair, we are actually expecting the market to continue the fall till it reaches this level of a broken resistance trend line, which means if the gold will fall right here, we can expect a drawdown till the market reaches this area. So therefore, for a safety entry, I would like to actually now lower my expectations to be exactly right here. I'm trying to find the sniper entry, which lies exactly right here at this level of a previous resistance right here, and a nearest level of a key support, and also it matches up with this level of a previous resistance trend line. The gold has a chance to reverse before that, but I'm expecting the gold to reach this level for once and then will continue the rise. That's how we usually find these sniper entries. Now, let's talk about the take profit level. If the gold will be able to reach this level, in my opinion, and let me just show you what we can do right now. Back to the daily chart. Here what we can do is just simply clone the same level of a resistance trend line. Check this out. So right here exactly, the gold has indeed reversed from this level of a resistance trend line. If it's going to continue the fall back here, respecting this pressure, respect the supported trend line and reverse upon the pressure from this level, the gold will continue the rise till it reach the edge of that level of a resistance trend line, which means our new take profit level can actually be right here exactly at the peak of the resistance at 2665, which means we are looking for around 478 pips of profit. Now for the safe zone, in my opinion, the safe zone in this case shouldn't actually be lower than the previous level of a key support right here exactly. Why? Because first of all, this was the absolutely lowest level of a real support, even right here as well, and right now here. So therefore, we don't need actually more than that. We don't need to make the safe zone bigger than this. So therefore, our safe zone will be ranging for around 143 pips of profit against 470 pips of profit, which I believe really fair and good for everyone. And there goes our expected deal, my friends, on the gold for the next week. And again, a small disclaimer that this signal is representing my own idea and perspective on the market. There is always a chance that any signal here might fail. I am not promising any profits at all. Always be ready and prepared for the losses. And of course, don't forget to join our free channel of Telegram to receive any updates about these signals that you are receiving here on YouTube. And always make sure to stay connected to Xtreme Trader Team to receive any updates or changes about the signal. I might tell you to change the entry or adjust the safe zone on this channel only. I will not send anything on YouTube. So again, this is the channel here, Xtreme Trader Signals, and also you can find the link to join directly from the link in the description below of this video. So until then, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.